As artists, art platforms and also various social media platforms are places where we can share our work, gain visibility, some freelancing work, or possibly a full-time contract work. And various platforms including ArtStation has helped artists a lot by bringing various artists together and also democratizing how artworks get to be seen and also celebrated. And with the rise of AI, there's a huge set of things that a lot of people have also had concerns of, which includes the use of artworks without consent for AI training and so on. And with artists rebelling on various art platforms, it seems to look like the era of AI and also the era where artists' artworks gets to be scraped for data training without any proper compensation is here to stay. But all that is about to change, as a brand new app is now available for artists to be able to share their artworks without their artworks being scrapped for AI training, and that platform is Cara. So currently, Cara is a brand new platform that can allow you upload and also get visible. Right now, this is currently in beta, and it is pretty interesting to see that an amazing artist had built this together and also made it for the community. The cool thing with Cara is this also works alongside the folks at Glaze, which is an amazing platform that allows you glaze your artworks. In that way, it protects the artworks and also protects the creator's right. And for those who like to see more about Cara, you can simply go over to the link in the description that's going to bring you right here, where you can see all of the amazing things that this has to offer. And of course, if you like to see even more stuff, you can definitely go over and take a look at their blog post, where they've been posting a couple of interesting stuff that has to do with artists as well. And if you go over to their about page, you can see their strong stance on AI. Right here, they say, we do not agree with generative AI tools in their current unethical form, and we won't host AI generated portfolios unless the rampant ethical and data privacy issues around datasets are resolved via regulations. And in the event that legislation is passed to clearly protect artists, we believe that AI generated content should always be clearly labeled, because the public should always be able to search for human-made art and media easily. And for those who like to see some interesting features that this platform brings to the table, they might want to go over to the feature section, where you can see a truckload of them. First off is the AI image detector, which is one of the major things that they are up about. And then there's the custom home feed, which means you can customize how your feeds are. Your feeds and portfolios can all be found in one place. This also features an easy portfolio upload as well. There's a custom crop for thumbnails and covers. You'll also be able to write up to 1,200 characters. There's also this interesting thing that has to do with animated GIFs being seen as covers. There's also a community discussion section which deals with the forum, and of course there is the phone apps. Now the phone apps is something I would definitely suggest that you check out, as it's available for both Android and iOS. All the way down, you'd also be able to notice that there's a job board that also exists right here, and for sure Cara is totally free to use. And of course, if you like to see what the future holds for this beautiful platform, then you can simply also read up on this one as well. Cara also features an amazing job board, and the job board for Cara just simply makes it super easy for you to find the job you're looking for. And depending on the location type, the job type, or maybe the experience type that you're looking for, you can select these and find jobs. This is also featuring a posting section where you can post your own jobs. This at the same time allows users to make some posts. They do have a messaging system and a notification system as well. And of course, if you like to glaze your artwork, the Glaze also offers a number of glaze that you can do at certain hours. These typically resets after 9 hours, but for sure it is way better for you to glaze your artworks instead of just simply uploading them like that. For those who are thinking about using this platform, I will definitely suggest that you glaze your artworks on Cara, and then you can distribute that across every other platform that you would like to upload your artworks. And this is definitely going to be a win for the creator, as this platform has only recently hit 500,000 followers and is nowhere close to what you have with platforms like Behance, ArtStation, or even Instagram. However, since you can simply glaze your artworks here, you can still reach out to the very same audience that you have on these platforms. Other than that, every other thing that you'll be looking for a social media platform simply exists here. As for individual posts, you can simply comment on them, repost them, like them, bookmark them, or simply hit the favorite button, and also copy or share link. Unlike what we have at ArtStation, where you cannot necessarily do that reposting, this platform offers features like that. One thing to keep in mind is this is still in its beta, and this site does crash from time to time, and of course you need to have some sort of patience when working with it at several times. The mobile app, on the other hand, seems to be a bit more flawless than what you have with the desktop app. This is a beautiful platform, and I'll definitely suggest that you go ahead and explore it. So this is it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.